Hello and welcome to another food review. As you can see, we have previously in the past, or I have, done a Happy Meal and an egg review. But today, we're going to be doing this. So I'll take mine, you take yours. It's just called the Classic Chicken. It just came out today, and I'm happy to get it. So, it's kind of like a McChicken, but it's got signature sauce and pickles on it, which sounds pretty good. Let's get a cross section in there. You know, it's got the signature sauce. Don't know if any of you heard about it. I got Dr. Pepper here. I guess just let's just get into it. It smells delicious. I tell you to talk. Did I tell you to talk? Did you hear my pants unzip? Don't fucking talk. Sorry for the interruption. It's a good chicken. It's not like ground up chicken then fried. It's actually like a chicken breast. So like, did I say something? Fuck your problem, dude. Sucking dick. But yeah. It's pretty good chicken. Eat your fucking pickles. Look at this. The bitch took the pickles off. Eat them. I didn't tell you you could take the pickles off. This first time. No, eat the pickles directly. Don't put them back on the burger. Okay. This is a good burger. We have to prep for the next segment that we're going to do because this is how it goes. The food review and then a bunch of other stuff. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. We're trying to, you know, we're going to like... wait, is there anything else in the bag here? Let me check. No, there's nothing else in it. Are you on heroin? Do I need to go get the rope again? Okay, holy shit. Okay. Well, here we have this little thing we're gonna do. We're gonna do a spin-off. You take which color do you want? Get the fucking white one. We're gonna do a spin competition, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! No. I win. What are you laughing about? You have permission to talk for 10 seconds.
I'm crying.
I don't see any tears.
Send help now. Send help.
Alright, you get the paddle. Okay, a little flash segment. We're gonna finish the burgers on camera. Okay, you finish your burger in one bite. Right now. One bite.
Mm-hmm.
One bite? Talk.
One bite?
One bite.
One bite.
Not like one bite and then swallow it. Put it all in your mouth. Don't touch that. You don't get to touch that.
Spit it finish?
Finish the burger. Go ahead.
And do I finish that in one gulp?
No, we'll do that. We'll figure that out off for camera. Okay, that's enough camera time. Get out of it. Go. Okay, this has been us eating burgers. Please leave a like. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Sorry, slight interruption. That's been enough for this video. Leave a like if you liked it. Comment, subscribe, favorite, do whatever the fuck you want.